Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to disable auto lock in Telegram's Passcode Lock feature. Auto lock is a setting that automatically locks the Telegram app after a certain period of inactivity. If you prefer to have more flexibility and convenience, this guide is for you. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. Locate and tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner. This will open the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings and scroll down to find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to access the settings related to your account's privacy. Step 4. Within the settings, look for Passcode Lock and tap on it. You will be prompted to enter your passcode for verification. Step 5. Once you've entered your passcode, switch the slider to Disabled. This will turn off the auto lock feature. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable the auto lock feature in the Passcode Lock setting of your Telegram app, allowing you to use the app without frequent lockouts. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the convenience of using Telegram without constant auto lock.